In today's distributed design environments, collaboration is critical. Xpedition Standard addresses three critical PCB design challenges: collaboration, accessibility, and security. A centralized source of truth for your entire team eliminates the data silos that often plague complex projects without the intricacy of IT infrastructure setup and maintenance. The integrated Siemens Connect app streamlines design reviews and approvals with improved design context. Team members can access designs from anywhere, provide feedback in the form of markups, and approve changes, dramatically accelerating design review cycles and reducing project delays. This capability is especially valuable for distributed teams who need to collaborate across different locations and time zones. Version control is essential for complex projects. Connect tracks all design revisions and allows you to compare versions, keeping everyone aligned on the latest changes. Design change management ensures everyone works from the latest design, preventing costly errors caused by using outdated information. The system maintains a complete history of all changes, providing accountability and the ability to revert if needed. Transform product diversification with powerful variant management that turns a single base design into multiple customized offerings without redundant work. Engineers can efficiently create, manage, and document product variations while maintaining core design integrity, automatically propagating appropriate changes across variants and generating accurate documentation for each configuration. This intelligent approach to product variations reduces design time, streamlines manufacturing preparation with variant-specific outputs, and eliminates the inconsistencies that plague traditional methods, demonstrating how an integrated design process saves valuable time while dramatically reducing the potential for errors. Our web-based design visualization and markup tools facilitate efficient design reviews without requiring design software installation. Stakeholders can easily and securely view the design, show web viewer, add comments, and suggest changes from any browser. This capability extends review participation to stakeholders who don't have PCB design expertise, improving communication across disciplines and ensuring all requirements are met. Supply chain visibility is integrated throughout the platform. Our bill of material intelligence analyzes component health risks, identifies obsolete parts, and provides real-time pricing and availability data. This integration empowers more informed sourcing decisions and helps prevent production delays. By identifying potential sourcing issues early in the design process, you can make adjustments before they impact production schedules. Security is maintained through role-based access controls, allowing project managers to delegate appropriate permissions to team members, suppliers, and manufacturing partners. This granular control ensures sensitive design data is only accessible to authorized users, protecting your intellectual property while still enabling necessary collaboration. Xpedition Standard enhances team collaboration more effectively, streamlines design to manufacturing workflows, and accelerates project timelines by integrating design data, automating key processes, and enabling real-time supply chain visibility. The result is reduced rework, improved supply chain clarity, and higher quality products delivered faster to the market.